the value was low, it wasn't quite high, and we just have to wait here. So here's the profit. So guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Arya, and today we are gonna use three indicators, which are envelopes, rate of change, and Bollinger Bands. We're gonna make a strategy, make profit from them. I will tell you how to use them, how to analyze them, and yes, make profit from them. So don't skip anything, listen carefully. It's gonna be an interesting session today. So let's set up our trading platform here. So first we'll take M1 time. We'll take some of these currency pairs which you can see here on the screen. Next we'll take some indicators, rate of change, envelopes, and Bollinger Bands. Let's change the settings. Yes, I will change some of the settings here, which you can see, and you can take the default settings or choose the ones which I am using. All of them work fine. Yes, 3 pixels here. Okay, yes, so we are all set up for our trading session, and let's head to our first trade. So let's change the amount to $200 and we'll open a buy position here, and let me explain you why. So first we have envelopes. So this indicator, if we see that the market is around the top or the lower lines, the white lines here, if you see the candles around them, it means they are about to change, and we can see the breakout using the rate of change. We could see that the rate of change was very high at the extreme point. It means there was a correction to be done in the market, and the same thing we can see the momentum or the volatility using the Bollinger Bands here indicator. So all of them confirmed that the market should go up. There should be a correction. So we placed buy trade here in this case. So one more second, and here's the profit of $384. So our first profit of the day, and let's not stop here. Let's head to the next one and see the market there. Okay, so let's change to EUR and CHF pair, increase the amount to $300 and open a trade in buy position. Let me explain you why. So first one, we can see that the envelopes here, we can see that the market or the candles are outside this band, outside the envelopes. So it shows that the market is strong, and if we see the rate of change, we can see that it's in positive value at extreme point. So there is a chance of the market to be changed. And also we can see the volatility using the Bollinger Bands. We can see that the volatility of the market is also high. So in such case, we can just go with the market flow, which is going upwards. Here we can see using the envelopes indicator. So we decided to go because the overall envelope is increasing, you can see. So here's the profit, $691, easy $691 I would say, and a total of $815 in account. Let's not stop here, let's head to the next trade, next pair, and see the market. So let's switch to EUR and HUF pair, increase the amount to $500, and we'll take a buy entry point here in this case, because we can see the market is below the white line in envelopes, which means which we can see that the market is going down. But if we overall see the market here in envelopes, we can see it's going up. The general trend, overall trend is bullish, and we can also confirm it with the rate of change. The value was low, it wasn't quite high, and same with the Bollinger Bands. It's not so high, not so strong, the volatility. So we can expect a change in the market, and here as you can see the candles are starting to rise, go up, and we just have to wait for 10 more seconds and we can see the result. So in such case we should take buy position as I did here, and here's the profit of $825, so a total of $1,140. Let's head to the next trade. Let's switch to AUD and CAD pair. Increase the amount to $850 and we'll take a buy entry position here. So because as we can see that the market is growing, we can see the candles around the upper white line, so it means the market is going up. And we can also confirm it with the trend with the other indicators which you have. So first one is rate of change, which we saw that the rate of change was very low, so it means the market was about to stay the same, and now we can see it's going up more also, yes, in the positive value. So also if we see the Bollinger Bands, we can see that the volatility now it's increasing, but it wasn't so much at the time when we placed the trade. So in such case we can take a buy position, or if it's the opposite, we can take the sell position and place the trade. 2 more seconds and here's the profit of $1,632 and a total of $1,900, I would say, in our account. So let's head to our last trade and let's see how much we end up with. So let's switch to EUR and HUF pair again. Change the amount to $600 and we have taken a buy position here in this trade. Let's see why. So again the envelopes indicator shows the market is going upwards, and the candles were in the upper part of this indicator, so it shows the market is upgoing. Also if we see it with the rate of change, we can see it's in positive value, so it should go up. It was more than 0, yes, in positive value. Also with Bollinger Bands we can see that the volatility is now it's decreasing, we can see, but it wasn't so much, so it should continue going as it was in the past. So in such case we can take a buy position, and 5 more seconds left, we can see actually confirm it. Yeah, so here's the profit, $2,608 and a total of $2,930 in our account. So let's wrap up with this one. So it was such a nice session today, very interesting to use these 3 indicators together and make profit using them. If you also like the video, please press the like button. If you have any questions, write some comments, and as always I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.